Hey guys, as you know, I am doing a lot of transitioning and eating healthier and investing more into what I put in my body. It's a transition. So today I went to a market called Feel Right Fresh Market. And yeah, it was a small market. The people were so nice. And the reason I went there is because I've been on a hunt for my cheese, my vegan cheese, and Whole Food didn't have it. So that's why I ended up going to get it from there. And it is a just like cheddar shreds. When I tell you the bomb, the bomb. Now you guys know I've been sharing the So Delicious stuff with you guys. I have this oatmeal cookie ice cream, and So Delicious is really good. Now let me show you the So Delicious that I've been currently eating. Is the I'm going to be making a vegan Oreo pie. So I had to buy from Whole Foods this. I forgot to do this haul, but I'll show it to you now. The cream cheese, the Kite Hill sour cream, and the So Delicious whipped cream. So I'm going to be using all of those for my vegan Oreo pie. And so what I have here is, it is that time of month, so I want to snack. So I got these. These are new. I love pina colada, so I'm hoping these are really good. These are $6.49. Naya wanted a Quest bar, so she got that. And she also, we tried the vegan cookies. She got the espresso chocolate chip cookie. I have the awesome oatmeal chip cookie with pecans. So that's gonna be mine for later. And then I got me some clove, which is for my tooth. And then I got some apples from Whole Foods. Actually, this wasn't even supposed to be here. I got those yesterday. And I got some amino acids, which is really good versus using soy sauce. So that's why I got those. Naya wanted to try the crispy chicken plant-based burgers, so we got those. But the thing that I really wanted to share with you guys, okay, we also got incense, and these were like $3.20 a pack. And I think it's like 20 incense or maybe 10 incense in a pack. And I noticed that they were the chakras. So it's the third eye chakra, sacral chakra, and crown chakra. I'm going to talk about these on my other channel. And then I have happiness and relaxation, and they smell so good. These were $2.69. These were $3.19. These smell so freaking good. I'm going to be lighting some happiness as soon as I get off the camera. Okay, and this is what I wanted to tell you guys about. We buy distilled water. Hand me that water, babe. We buy distilled water, and we buy it by the gallon from Tops, wherever we can get it from. But when you can go next level and go with the osmosis, reverse osmosis water, they have a machine where we fill this up ourselves. You can go with regular osmosis water, or you can go with the plus, where they have minerals. So we add minerals to it. Mind you, our water systems in most places do not have minerals in it. So that's why a lot of people go with distilled water. Do your research on distilled water, and also do your research on reverse osmosis water. I was looking at the reviews, and a lot of people that talked about this store were saying they come here strictly for this as well, and how their life has changed because of this. Now, this container itself was $26, but it holds 5 gallons. And so once I buy the container, then when I return, I can actually just fill the water up and pay 94 cents a gallon for the water, which is just a tad bit more than I pay for these, because these are like 89 cents a gallon at Tops and stuff. So I'll probably start just using these for strictly for my products, which I usually only use spring water or distilled water for my products and all my hair products. And for those of you who don't know, I do have a product line. So yeah, so this is the reverse osmosis water, and we'll just be, I guess, pouring it into a nice glass pitcher that'll sit into the refrigerator and drink our water that way. So I wanted to share this with you. Do your research on reverse osmosis water. It's really good for you. And if you have any markets around you that are like Feel Right, I don't even know if Feel Right is just here. I'm gonna Google it to see if Feel Right, or is it Feel Right? Yeah, Feel Right Fresh Market are in other places. I would be so happy if they are. So yeah, look up Feel Right Fresh Market. They gave us a punch card. So today we shopped in on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so it was perfect timing. Wednesdays and Saturdays you get double. So we just for one time coming, we filled up one whole card and another. So we got $5 on return on our next purchase. Now, I'm sharing these things with you guys. Why? Because you might come across some of these things in your transition to eating healthy and try not to eat bad. And so I can say, hey, you know, I tried those, we tried them, and we can give you guys our opinion, like the ice creams. And I know if you were a sweet eater like myself, you want to find something that's healthier, but still give you that satisfaction of still being able to enjoy something sweet or a treat. So that's why I want to share those with you guys. So yeah, and over there is just 4 organic Honeycrisp apples that I'm getting ready to cut up and put in the refrigerator. I like to cut the fruits and stuff up and have them ready, like grapes and stuff. I'm actually taking those back. Those grapes didn't taste good. They were from Wegmans, which was surprising. But yeah, I like to have fruit, vegetables. I have cucumbers cut up, celery, carrots. I have grapes. And then I'm going to be having apples in the refrigerator. And I keep those in there. And I have a vegan dip, veggie dip that I use. And if we want something to snack on, we'll just eat that. And I always try to keep tuna on hand because they like to snack on tuna as well. So this is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative for you. If you have any questions, leave them below. And I shall see you guys later, gators.